Now we will see how to make a fruit cake. It is a very simple recipe which can be done with easily available ingredients. So I have over here some butter. Alright, in that I am adding sugar. So this is powdered sugar that I have taken. So I have just put my granulated sugar in a mixie and I have ground this. Okay, I am going to cream this butter and sugar mixture together. Using spatula, clean the bowl and whip it again. Once you see that the color of the butter has changed, at this point of time, we will add some honey. And we will add curd to this. Scrape the bowl once and whip it for a minute. Now we will add maida. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Again using spatula, mix everything together. To adjust the consistency, I am going to add milk to this mixture. And we will beat it again for a minute. That's it, my batter is ready. To this I will add some apricots, some glazed cherries, some tutti frutti and some walnut pieces. Give it a mix again. Now the batter is ready. What we will do is we will put this in a bakeable cake tin and we will bake this cake. Now let's put this batter in the bakeable tins. So that's how it looks. Let's arrange some nuts on top. So you can put almonds, cashews, you can also put lot of walnuts on top and make this fruit cake a nutty cake as well. This will go into preheated oven and we will bake this for about 35 minutes at 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. So the cake is done. It is out of the oven. It is the fragrance is absolutely amazing. Okay, the nuts are nicely roasted and the cake is also done very well. We'll do the knife test. See, the knife has come out clean, meaning the cake is done. Okay, so let me just show you the texture. It is extremely soft. So that's how it looks. Okay, it is extremely soft and it is loaded with lot of dry fruits. So do try this recipe and let us know.